had a video about stance parts air cup system installation in the NSX. Actually, if I could get the views back on that, that'd be great because we got 100-some thousand views. But yeah, we're doing a proper way to install this because that one we didn't really talk much. We just have a little bit of instruction on that. So that was about what, 2016 or 2015 when I did that air cup system in the BC Coilover. But today we have Mike's Feal coilover with stance part air cup system. Obviously I got one installed already. We're about to install the other one. First, you get a 19mm socket. As simple as that. Take the top hat off. Don't lose this because that will fall right up through if you don't pay attention. Then you take this off for now, and you take the spring as well. On this spring, you better make sure you don't lose this because you're gonna need that. Now we'll have to, oh, I didn't loosen it yet. So I'll loosen that. I'm gonna have to loosen this. I had it almost to where when I put the spring back, this will clear the top, this part right here. So install your spring. Now install the air cup. So you want it almost, wow, I had it almost even. So you want it even, right? Because we're gonna have to set the preload. Most guys that don't like to read, like me, I don't like to read. I've just done a bunch of this. They just look at the picture, install it. What's important is that put a preload, right, Hunter?
Right.
All right, the front is 6mm, the rear is 3mm. I didn't call Hunter, I didn't say that because he doesn't set preload. I just called him just because he's walking in front of me. And smiling. I'm gonna make sure that this is even with the top part of the shaft. The shaft. So raise it up. So now that it's even, boom, I can put this part back. We have to keep this part on here. They did include spacers, but I mean I already have this, why not use it? To keep the air cups lower so it doesn't hit the shock tower. Now you install your top hat back. Remember, you don't want to lose the sleeve that goes into the hind part. And install your 19mm. According to Google, if you have an M12, it's about 37 foot-pounds. So we're going to hit 37 foot-pound for the top hat bolt. And we're torquing this bolt to its specification. I don't know, I'm gonna do this because I have no leverage. I need a wrench. It's easier if you're already having the car and you torque it, but this is just for me to show you guys that we are torquing it. So 37 foot-pound. I only did 7 of that because it's hard. When I put it in the car, I will torque it at 37 foot-pound. Just to show you guys what it was or how to do it. So now, once that's installed, I gotta loosen it again. We need to make sure our preload is good. So obviously there's still a play on the spring. What we need to do is preload these springs because that's really important with these suspensions. So online it says about 6mm. Fortunately, the spacers that Stance Parts air cup system give us is 6mm. So what we need to do, you'll spin the spring to where there's no play, like so. Then this is how I like to do it. From where the bottom perch, I'll add 6mm from the spring of preload. So let me just show you guys. More. Right there. Add 6mm of preload. This is what I meant by that. That's 6mm of preload. Once you achieve the 6mm, you tighten your perches. You can do this now, or you can do it when you install it on the car. But since we're here, I'm gonna do it anyways. When you get done with that, I'll check again everything just to be sure. put it on the car, and it's good to go. But that's exactly how you're supposed to preload your suspension once you install your air cup system. All right, let's go get it done because Mike wants his car back right now.